Keskuskatu 19 stakes. The last one to be filmed here. We have also filmed the staircases A and C in this regular building. It is in Mäntsälä, in Finland, and this one has 4 floors. Sadly, they are not going to the basement floor here at all.
Yeah.
It was built in 1970 by ValmetSchlieren, the same recipe is 2323. You can see what was 320 Even though they should have been completely impossible, but we still managed to get all 3
Yeah.
at once now.
Is feedback mais pitänyt meitä nyt pautussa on discreet.
That's it, thank you very much.
That's it.